In our own healthcare system, this morning we had over 420 patients that were admitted with COVID. At the moment, we have 55 patients in our intensive care units. By way of comparison, June 19th of this year, we had less than 90 cases in the healthcare system. Up to today, we've seen a fourfold rise in the amount of cases that have been hospitalized. The number continues to grow every day. We have seen admission rates. On Monday was our highest admission rate of the spike. We admitted more than 75 COVID-19 patients to our healthcare system in only a single day. What we're seeing now in the healthcare system is really mirroring the vaccination status out in the community. We know that in Broward and Dade counties, we see a higher percentage of the elderly and the older population groups getting vaccinated than the younger population groups. And therefore, what we're seeing being admitted to the hospital is a younger patient population group, meaning more unvaccinated people are coming into the hospital, and the vaccinated people tend to be an older population. Therefore, what we're seeing in our healthcare system is a slightly younger population group than that which we have seen previously, and that specifically reflects the amount of people or the proportion of people in the community that are not getting vaccinated. From those 420 patients that I described that we have in-house at the moment, more than 96% of them are unvaccinated. So it's a very, very small proportion of vaccinated COVID patients that land up sick enough to require hospitalization. Because the overall census is so high in the healthcare system, and we are committed to providing safe and effective care, not only for the COVID-19 patients, but for our non-COVID patient population, we've had to open a lot of non-traditional geographies in order to house patients. That means we've had to make additional intensive care unit spaces and additional non-intensive care unit spaces in order to keep those two patient populations separate and care for them both effectively and safely.